I don't have a script, but does this really need a script? ये वीडियो के लिए हमको प्रिपरेशन का टाइम नहीं मिला, बट वी वर सुपर डैम एक्साइटेड कि हमको ये बताना था कि वी मेड अ बिल्ड लाइक दिस. Phanteks NV7 में आई थिंक इंडिया का फर्स्ट लिक्विड कूल, दुनिया में भी कम ही बने हैं. देयर वेरी फ्यू हु एक्चुअली डन अ गुड लिक्विड कूलिंग जॉब, एंड आई वुड से दिस इज अ प्रीटी गुड जॉब. नाउ द specs are on your screen. It's an i7 3080 Ti, fully liquid cooled with damn thick radiators, and if you can see, there's a slight of a color theme going on. Now, the color theme is green for Nvidia and blue for Intel. Okay, jokes apart, it's actually looking really cool. We purposely did some complicated bends because we weren't satisfied just doing the straight line, straight loop, and we were very particular about the fact that all lines have to be parallel, especially because the bottom radiator sits on an angle, and then we had to make sure that everything's parallel. बहुत ज़्यादा मजा आया. It was very fun, and जिसका ये build है, he is super pumped looking at this build, and we are happy that he is pumped. So that's what we are all about. And if you would ask me what goes in building a liquid cooling build, काफी कुछ behind the scenes होता है. It's insane the amount of time it takes. People might assume it takes a day or two. No, at times just to make the loop, we do it, redo it, and maybe do it a third time. Just because we are not satisfied with the way it looks, it should be its own unique thing, and that's what we are all about. That's what custom computers are all about. It should be your personal computer. So we really thrive on builds like this, and a huge thank you to you guys. Thank you for letting us do what we love. That is building kick-ass PCs. We are available all over India in Gurgaon, Hyderabad, and Bangalore. Do hit us up if you need anything related to custom computers. And yes, we do home delivery of these systems, these kind of systems, liquid cooling systems and regular systems, and every other kind of system all throughout India. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe for more fun.